Okay, one second. I'm just downloading one logo.
Oh, Burger King. I like that. Yeah, make it a burger box.
Burger box,
Not
treasure
treasure
box.
box. The treasure is burger is kept.
Okay, okay. So,
Suppose this is
yeah.
2050, there is no burger anymore, and in one treasure box, the burger is kept.
So this
Just
thing
stop,
you take.
stop boosting your imagination, Habib. Let him work.
Yes, yes.
Okay, treasure box. Heavenly. Hmm. So you have to make one alpha for this also. If you don't make alpha, you have to mask it, the white part, the unwanted part. If you make it as PNG, that also is helpful in showing
Yes, yes.
you.
Yes, because the white part, we don't want to add the white part, so we need to mask out that white part.
Uh,
Yes. That you can do in that software also, or in Photoshop only.
we can do, but we have to mask out. No, no, the smart way we can mask it out. We have to come to Photoshop. But if you want to mask there, you have to add mask and then paint.
Yes, yes. No,
Uh,
isn't there any option to use the label like in Photoshop? You can use the label and color
yes, yes.
grading. That
Level
also.
we can use.
Yes,
Yes,
yes. But better to
level is
use your procedural software.
yes here only because painter anything he generates or calculate is all about calculation.
Yes, yes.
So
It's calculating in 3D space.
yes, so it's means the file will be heavy. So
Yes.
don't go this way. It's better.
Yeah, Devgopal, with that note, I want to ask what are the system requirements required for this to work on this kind of software?
Photoshop and Nuke,
No, no.
obviously.
What is the system requirement to work on
Okay,
this
see.
kind of software?
Okay. Basically, for Mari, you want a good what graphics card. You want a good graphics card for Mari, and for Substance Painter, you need RAM. So a very good system you required actually. So
For
processor
this
wise,
kind of small asset, you can create.
okay, yes,
Yes, yes. So you can, but in production level work, we need one good system, right?
yes, yes. So around 60, 70, we can build a very Indian money and 60,000 or 10,000. We can make a good PC to use this Mari and Painter.
Okay, okay. Yeah. Yeah, I think
Get that
nowadays everyone is having that much budget PC.
budget? Yeah, yeah, at least because when I purchased in beginning, when I was learning 30,000 I spent on
Yeah,
the
yeah.
system.
I
Okay.
remember my first PC was 15,000.
Yes. So those eras are gone.
Okay, so
Oh,
guys,
look.
we are coming to the end part of this session. If you guys have any question regarding this process, regarding the software, regarding this department, regarding any company or any process, you can please ask. We are slowly moving towards the end of this segment. So if you have any question, you can write it down on the chat box, or after some time, after maybe 10 minutes, you can directly come to live and you can ask us.
Okay. Here only.
Okay, you're saving as a PNG, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so that you can get his.
logo.
Devgopal, we are having one question. Kamal is asking, what is the process of texturing in 3D modeling?
What is that?
What is the process of texturing in 3D modeling? I think this is what we are showing right now.
Yes, yes.
This is the process of 3D modeling. This class is all about 3D modeling, texturing a 3D model. So this is the
Uh,
process, and in our expert class, we are going to show some other software also. In this software, you can do, obviously in Photoshop also you can do texturing.
yeah, in more detail. The Painter also. I'll go into depth.
Yes. There are two, three softwares you can do 3D texturing. There are some software you can do 2D texturing like in Photoshop and inside Maya you can check that texturing. So everything is covered in the expert class. And yes, this is the process of 3D model texturing. In our last class, we showed how to model this asset, and in today's class, we are showing how to texture this same asset. So I think that answers your question, Kamal. If you are asking anything else, that can you please clarify under in the chat box? Thank you, sir. Yeah, okay. I think he's got the answer.
No, actually, this is not a very simple thing. Ki just click, 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 and then you are done.
Yes, yes, yes. Right now, we are just
It's a
showing
very
you the
long process.
we're just showing the basic process. In company you need to follow some particular guideline, particular output type, particular color, particular shape you need to follow. In if
Object to
you're working
object,
in a company, there are a lot of
project to
guidelines
project,
you need to
everything
follow.
is.
This is just the basic process. Yes, Sandeep.
Now, I was saying object to object, project to project, supervisor to supervisor, requirement
Yes,
to short,
it's like client to
everything
client.
got client to client. Yeah, definitely.
You're forgetting that one.
No, no, that is the main thing. That is the main thing.
Yes, yes. And it's not like that. They in one project, suppose this is one prop, and suppose beside this prop, one separate prop is there, one other prop is there. You need to match this style with that prop also. It's not like that every prop separately you can do separate kind of output. In one BG, whatever the props, whatever the BG elements are there, all the texture detail and the texture style and color you need to follow. Obviously, you'll get some reference before starting the work, and you need to follow those particular reference or those particular guidelines before starting the work. In your student life, every object you can do in your choice, but whenever you will be joining in any studio, there you'll be getting particular briefing before starting the work, and how to
Until
follow
you
those
until you
briefing.
un,
Yes, sir, how to follow this
until
briefing.
you match the bang on, you have to. I mean, you can get the correction. I mean
Yes,
that
yes,
you have to
yes,
match it. You have to match it.
yes, yes.
Then it's up to the artist's responsibility to how to match it. It's a
Yes,
very
sir.
simple thing. That's why you need this kind of things. That's why we have started the specialization
Yes,
classes.
yes, and in our expert class, we are gonna teach you how to follow those guidelines. What will be the guidelines? What is the difference between output, different kind of outputs? How to achieve those kind of outputs? Suppose there will be some project 2.5D, there will be some project 2D type output. There will be some realistic output. There will be some cartoony output. So with these softwares only, you can create all those kind of outputs. But you just need to follow some guidelines or some extra pipeline. So in our expert classes, we'll be covering all those small detail as well. Devgopal, this is
So
covering the
just
whole
because no
area.
one is
We'll be
asking
masking
any
out.
question,
Devgopal, this is covering the whole area. We'll be masking out one particular area, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. There is so many ways to bring the logo.
Okay, right
Actually,
now
I'll
you're fixing the position.
yes, yes. So I'll fix the position. One second.
You can keep it top, no?
Yeah, I'll keep anywhere I want. Then I'll mask there. Means black mask and then here. Okay, a little bit more scale down. Okay. So this thing, I think. Okay. Or okay, this much. Okay. So now, what you have to do? Add black mask, then this much. Okay. Okay. If you want, as this is little up area, then you have to mask in normal heights, spec breakup. You have to adjust this. So accordingly, so you can make it more rougher. This is rough, then the thing is coming. So we have to properly mask this. In mask also, we have to import the same generator I used for in tiling. So mask also same we have to apply. Then it will come. Or just paint it little. So this way only, and there are so many ways to do so many things. Mm, but if
Yes, in
I just
Aftertaste you can add lot of detail, lot of scratching detail. Suppose hand thumb print detail,
ha ha
uh,
ha,
some color splashes, lot of things
yes,
you can do. This is just the basic to make it look more realistic. I think Dev Gopal can
yeah.
work on this model like another 6 hours. Dev Gopal.
Yes, yes. So see, there are so many impressions and the small alpha. I think these alphas are very helpful. See, I'll so see this merges. Okay.
So Dev Gopal, in
So
your company, whenever you are working this kind of asset,
uh,
how much time usually you get to finish this kind of yeah, asset?
actually, previous company they gave more time, gave us because uh, if this is we say character props, okay, some assets are in VFX they hold those
Yes, yes,
props.
like showed and yeah,
Yes, yes.
yes, yes.
So those props they give like 1 month.
Oh, it's little one simple prop.
Yes, simple
That
prop.
that that
That's
that looks like a simple,
Yes,
but
simple.
in closer that can be more
yeah.
too
No, no.
much
After
details.
Yes,
Yeah.
spending 1 month, that looks like oh, it's
yes.
nothing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
just only it's nice. It's like only 2 second, 2 second of work,
Yeah.
single
Yes,
work,
yes,
but
yes.
it took too much effort.
Yeah, but in CG, but if it's not a character prop, then 1 week is enough. 1 week.
Okay, so it
So
depends on the quality, it depends on the project, and depends on the
yes.
output type.
Mhm.
The same like what we discussed few minutes back. This one is
And
a more of too much thing.
Yes.
and as you know, they have the separate deadlines. Huh? You have 6 days to do. Then they have the deadline. The final delivery is this. Then you have to approve from supervisor before 2 days. Then the corrections.
Yeah,
Then
yeah. There are hierarchy you need to follow to get the asset approval.
yes.
You need to get
So
your team lead approval, then HOD approval, then client approval, then maybe another one retake, then another lead approval, another supervisor, another client approval. So it's a long process. It's not like that you just finish this work and that the work is done.
mm,
You'll be
and
starting one new asset and maybe after 1 month you'll get the same asset correction.
yes, and in production, if you wanna play some games in office also, game means TT or something, then you have to work smartly only because
There are function you
because
can enjoy, but you need to utilize your time accordingly.
time, yes, yes. Otherwise, you have to sit for whole the day in office and finish it in manual way or something. So you have to think and plan before work, and quickly you can achieve.
Yeah, Devgopal, that is where we come now. We are doing the course for that only, so that after joining the office, you can enjoy. You can
Yeah,
enjoy
you
the
can
work.
you
You can enjoy your life.
Okay.
don't just waste, the beginning of 2-3 years
Yes,
just to
yes.
understand that what is
That
going
is
on.
the golden. That will be the golden period of your
Yeah,
career.
yeah. We also missed it. So that's why we want everyone to don't miss that situation.
No, in
That
our
was
time,
basically
10
was fun.
years back, there was not much information available on the internet. Information was not available with
Nothing.
us. Nowadays, everything is available. Everything is home based. You can, from home only, you can learn. You can do whatever you want.
Okay.
Nice.
So
So
I thought
yeah,
of sorry. So I
no,
thought of
I have a yeah, continue, Devgopal.
mhm. I thought of put some dots and scratches, but I will just simply export because I just want to show that materials also in Maya. So let it quickly export this.
Yes,
Okay, okay.
Devgopal, you
So
just
the
export it
texturing
in the
part.
meantime.
So the texturing part of this asset is done. Now you'll be exporting this texture, only the texture, not the model, because we already have the model inside the Maya. You'll be
Yes.
exporting the texture and you'll be assigning those texture as separate maps like color, roughness, normal in Maya, and
Hmm.
you'll be showing the Maya output.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
So
So for the
file.
time being, he did, the how much texture he has done. He just exporting it. It
Yes,
will
yes.
be
No,
much
I think
much much
Sandeepan,
better.
he was talking, he was explaining. I think if he did in with proper timing, maybe it will take 20 minutes to do this kind of.
Hmm.
Yes.
Yes,
And even in between, you also interacted with the logo and
yes, yes, yes,
something
yes.
else. That is
No
also
issues.
fun.
That way you can learn. Whenever if you ask more, the participants I'm talking about, whoever you want to ask, learn more, you have to ask without any
Yes,
hesitation
yes.
or pressures and anything.
That is the main thing you need to do after joining company. You need to ask. You need to start asking questions. Why
Yes.
it is happening? Why it is not happening? What I have to do? What you're expecting from me? What is the quality of the project? What is the duration of the project? Everything you need to start asking question, then only you'll learn. If you just go and sit there, nobody will call you to teach something, or nobody will ask you to do anything. Whatever you're
Hmm.
supposed to do, you will be doing that particular that thing only. If you start asking question, you'll be starting learning new things.
Yeah, Devgopal, make it fast, dude. We
Yeah,
have only
Sandeepan,
10
can you
minutes
please
left.
tell us about the feedback form?
Yes, we have a feedback form. The feedback form uh, will be there. Will mail to you, or I don't know, maybe WhatsApp to you. Will
Will be
reach to you.
share, that will be shared with you.
Yeah, that will be shared with you after this class. You just give your the all the participants. You guys please give your valuable feedback. What is your requirement and what you're thinking about this
What were
conversation and
missing? What is the thing you wanted to
everything.
learn? Everything, whatever you're feeling, you can fill in that form, or you can just
Yes,
submit the form. So
exactly.
next
That is
time,
not for you
when
guys. That is for us
yes,
to
yes,
improve
next time we can
ourselves
follow
and
those.
understand.
Next time we can follow and upgrade those things in our next class.
Yeah, in our coming sessions, of course.
Yes, yes. So
Yeah.
Sandeepan,
Ba-
do you have planned any coming session upcoming?
Nothing. So we will post everything in our social media pages, and I think the registered people will get one WhatsApp text or the something. Somehow they will get the information by Click Academy of Digital Art. So
Yes,
as
yes.
per
If you are registered through the website, you'll get WhatsApp messages. The email you'll get, or if you're not registered, you can follow us on our Facebook page, on our Instagram page, or you can follow us on our website also. So everywhere you'll get the updates about our upcoming session or upcoming class. And Sandeepal told about that Shades of Creation, the ongoing contest, about those also. What will be the next month subject? What are the contests we're gonna put for next month? And what are the live classes, free live classes you're gonna organize? And if anything extra anything new we're launching, you'll be getting that information as well.
Yes, definitely. We will definitely come with something new again because we came with the free classes which no one did, I think, before. We started with the demonstration, then the free classes, and we will do and of course we will do something best for the. That's why we were asking for the in this
Yes, yes,
feedback form
and
that just fill up
till
the
now,
whatever you want.
yes, yes, till now we had free classes on lighting compositing on Sandipan's department, uh,
Designing.
designing, digital designing. Then last week we had modeling. Then this week we are having texturing. Then maybe next month we'll be launching another two, three free classes about another other departments. Maybe we'll be having some free classes on the animation as well. So just stay connected with us. You'll be getting all the updates.
So someone is asking that the next station organic modeling पे हो सकता है. So we didn't decided yet. So let's see. You will get the information when we do the organic modeling classes. So you will get to know. Of
Yes, yes,
course.
but we'll consider your request.
Yes, of course we will try. Dev Gopal, please continue.
Okay. Okay. So in configuration, okay, then you can export maps from here, export textures, and config. So here are so many materials according to render engines and softwares. So PBR, Metal Rough, and Spec Gloss, Redshift, everything. So basically, they provides the number of maps you want required and the values. So in Arnold 5 also, so whenever you use any particular material, so duplicate that and give it. I generally use this way. So you give it your assets name. Then whatever you want, I excluded the emission part because I don't want emission map here. So whatever you want, you just keep it here, and then export maps, just select the path where you wanna export, and then select the material, the treasure box for me. So and then export, click on export.
Okay,
So
okay.
it
So
will take,
these are the export preset, right?
yes,
In
yes,
which software you are gonna use this map? That is the preset is there. All the presets are there.
yes,
Okay.
and you can change the resolution anytime. So in 4K you wanna want 8K, so you can change here. So the calculation will be in 8K. So the resolution will update on 8K.
Okay, okay. The software already has that updated resolution. Whatever resolution you want, you just put that resolution.
Yes, but if you project anything, then you can't get the resolution that much on 8K or
So if
4K.
you are projecting something on your manually, then you need
Uh,
to have that kind of detail on your texture.
yes, so you have to fix the resolution before only. Otherwise, you can change anytime.
Okay, okay. Yeah, yeah.
So I just exported maps here.
Okay, so Sandeepan, one thing, I have some other meeting at 7 o'clock. I'll be signing off now.
No problem. I will continue.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. So,
Thank you, Abhay.
yeah, yeah. Thank you, Devgopal, for showing us
Thanks,
good process of texturing. This is new for me also.
thanks, and it was interesting because of you also. You guys, thank you.
Yes. Okay, so
So
thank
we
you
are
everyone for
continuing. Yeah.
joining and for asking question. If you have any other question, please ask in the chat box. Sandeepandi is there and Devgopal will be there for some time. They'll be answering your question. I am signing off. Okay. Bye bye. Bye bye everyone.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye.
So yeah, Devgopal, we have only 5 to 10 minutes left. I mean, make it
Yes, so
as quick as possible. Yeah.
I'll just quickly assign this material. Sorry. Okay, this is color. The main thing is, okay, nice. Mm, roughness. So you have to put it in roughness and height, normal height, I think. And then normal. Okay. You have to make it as if you are using normal, you have to make it transnormal. Then assign it to this one, Udemon. And one more material. Yes, and surface. One more is this. Height, roughness, normal. So it will take few minutes. Just be with me. You can see the screen and get it that how I'm assigning material color on base color and roughness is in roughness, but there are some settings to adjust roughness. Then normal, you'll go to geometry bomb mapping, normal. So you'll quickly change it to transient space normal. Then we'll assign it to leather. Okay. Copper, one more material, then we'll be done. As standard process. One more material is here only. Normal and roughness. So this is Arnold's shading shaders AI standard surface. So you can get that, and default by default it's there in Maya 18. So just apply this texture accordingly, whatever you got from Painter. Sorry. And spec roughness will be, go to this. I think this roughness will not work. Okay, let's see. We'll change this before a change after a rendering thing. So there are some tricks actually. So geometry bump mapping. Now it will change to transient space. Yeah. Okay, done. We'll check how it's coming.
So we will render it and then we can understand, right?
Yes, yes. So for this render, I'll change the settings because it will take huge time. There. So, and resolutions also I'll change because it will take time.
Yeah, make it smaller.
Uh,
Yeah, 720 is good.
okay. Now it will convert from PNG to text, any format to text, because okay. Okay. So the secondary is map which is black and white. We have to change the properties to sRGB to linear.
Okay, that is the color space.
Raw. Yes, yes. So you have to change from here.
So that is a difficult kind of a what is it called? That's a different chapter altogether.
Uh,
The color space thing.
yes. So you have to change here sRGB, use message of full. So hey, TX manager. As of now, I am exporting. So you have to change actually these secondary maps to hey, 1 second.
SRGB.
Uh, sRGB to RAW. Here is the option actually. 1 second. Here is the option. Is there here only? You can find. Let me check from other. Here. So as
Ah,
this is different, so you can get. So here you can change raw if you want. If you see that this secondary maps black and white as float, it will be go to raw, or black and white maps, then you can change it to raw. Otherwise it's okay. The base, no, in a diffuse color you have to be in sRGB. So other maps you have to change to raw. So these things only. So as of now I'm using the sRGB only, everything, because of time is less. So you can see the all maps, the TX map is generating. So TX. So for this annulled rendering, the software use TX only. So all the TX done. It's when it's done, the TX thing will show here. So now it's ready for rendering. Okay. But yes, I now we have to adjust it accordingly. But yes, for copper I'll adjust quickly. 1 second. Hey, one kid is outside, so he is just knocking door. Sorry for this.
so Dev, just a minute. Just take a minute break and just come back.
Yeah, yeah, I'm coming.
No problem. So you are in mute. You are in mute, Dev.
Yeah. So they
Okay.
actually they are crazy. They can do anything. Actually, today is a special day for relatives came to my
Okay, no problem.
room
Just finish
today.
it up as
So
soon
that,
as possible so that you can
yeah,
enjoy.
yeah,
No
yeah,
problem.
yeah. Sure, sure. So I'm just adjusting this. Hmm. Okay, now make little metalness. Roughness is color. You have to give color for chrome and any other material. So little saturated or something
Mm.
like this.
Mm.
Then it will show you the result of copper.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this is
Okay.
better.
Yes, and we can adjust as we want. Mm, okay. IOR you can adjust. So now sometimes it's the error from this. You have to open again to get.
Okay. Just to reload once again. Yeah.
So
So
this
what
is
happened? What did Devgopal? Each
hmm,
each and individual what is that called? The material, not material. I mean, I'm not talking about the Maya material. I mean the real life materials. I mean, leather or wood has some different specular values,
yes, yes,
different transparency, translucency. So we have to match accordingly, right? Visually.
yes, yes. So as you can see here, the normals are coming from Painter maps.
Yeah.
So all are there. So you have to tweak and get the material result.
Yes.
So have to adjust values. So you can do accordingly. Now we are out of time. So I'm not going. I mean, we can show you the good kind of output. But yes, this is the way.
So yeah, we can understand the process. So this is the process. So yeah, of course we can do the much better and the detailed version. Of course, this is just a very basic. I mean,
Quick.
very much basic. Of course.
See the specular, check specular maps. See, I
Mhm.
give some different colors, so it's coming.
Yes.
It's coming because of HDRI. I used one HDRI map
Yes.
here.
Yes. Yes. You have.
I will change that. If you want some specific kind of environment detail or evening or something, then you have to change the HDRI. So this is the way you can do from scratch one essay. So I think this is all about the texturing demo today for today.
Okay, thank you, Dev. I think this is a little quicker class. I don't. I think I know this is a very time-taking process for 3D to cover it up a lot of couple of the softwares in a few hour. But yeah, I think this is quite helpful to everyone whoever is joined. So thank you to be a part of this session. I think you get it. I mean, you can understand the process and everything. I know this is very tough in this point of time to to remember the what is it called, the tools and everything, but I think you can get the idea properly. And of course we have the specialization classes for all this detailing, and whoever is interested just come and join with us. And we will that's all for today. Actually, we are just closing right now. Thank you, Dev Gopal. It's a very informative session and interesting as well.
Thank you everyone whoever joined, and hope few take off from this session. Thank you.
Thank you. So everyone will get the feedback form. Just fill up it and post us your requirement, your experience, and whatever you feel. That's all for the day. Thank you. Thank you and bye.
Thank you, bye.